Okay guys, the only lesson I'm gonna show is how to get in and out of a kayak. Hopefully I won't fall in. What you gotta do is, easiest way is straddle the kayak. See if I put that there. I'm pretty much asking for it. That's my phone. So straddle it like the cougar. Put your phone where it won't get wet. Bring it in a bit. Just let yourself drop. Oh yeah. This comes to I'm supporting myself with my hands, feet on the pedals. Helps when you got a bit of balance. Wiggle yourself in. She does it. Voila. Oof, good thing I didn't go in. My thing was open. Well, okay, let's go catch some fish. Put that there before it goes kaplooks. Need that with a pike. I had a few mishaps, but only one of each. I learned pretty good. I used to think pikes closing their biting people was far-fetched, but it didn't come at me. I just had my finger in his mouth and he slowly closed his big teeth through my finger. It was so sharp I didn't feel it go in. Anyways, okay, I'll do a first gas. See if I can get lucky. I wet my line earlier. Make sure the thing wouldn't break on the first cast. So let's just do a cast for now. See if I get lucky. Doubt it. Water's really high. I brought my bug spray. I put that off sunscreen lotion. I like that lotion. You don't feel the burn like the musk oil or the deep wood stuff. I find you spray that stuff, you feel like your skin is ready to blister. Okay guys, if I catch anything, I'll put you on. Bye for now. Hey guys, Michael here from the Canadian Relic Hunters. I wasn't gonna come out because it's raining on and off, so I brought the good old backup machine, Bounty Hunter. I'm curious to see if I bypassed any rings while detecting. This is where I got all the silver. Make sure I aim down with the camera. We all know why. Yeah, curious to see the rings. Yeah, that's funny, I didn't get any rings, but I got like 23 silver coins. Plus it'll be fun to see the clad that I bypassed with the E-track. Plus I went fishing yesterday and my GoPro freaked out. I thought I was done with the GoPro, but I got home and I found another battery, charged it, and hopefully right now it's recording. Seems to be working okay. so knock on wood. So I'll get set up and I'll see you on the first hole. Bye for now. I found my first clad. Looks like a dime. I thought it was a fish scale at first. That would have been funny. Okay guys, on to the next. Okay guys, I wanted to do this volleyball thing for a while. Look at here, I don't think it's silver, but you never know. No, just a clad quarter. Would have been nice. On to the next one guys. Quarter spill, same hole. Things are looking up. A dime, 2 quarters, a dime. I think that's it. Not bad. On to the year. First car of the year. Score! Nice one. Hey guys, looks like I got a game token. Or a large cent, but I think it's a game token. Cool. No silver, but cool stuff. Well, on to the next. Guys, check this. Well, a Hebrew owl. That would be nice if it would be sterling, but I don't think so. Cool. So that was a ring. It rang pretty high, but just big, not silver. Hi guys, Michael here from the Canadian Relic Hunters. A lot went on this week. I got off my streak almost, what was it, Monday? I went out and this was it. Hardly any more targets. Well, I think I had enough. This was all the silver here was all at the same location, not at the same spot, but anyway, the ride was good, really good. So I did a little hunt, no silver, went fishing. My GoPro kind of almost lit up on fire. The battery was so hot and it went crazy on me. I kind of knew it had its days. It went beep, 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 super crazy. Anyway, I thought it was kaput. So I think I'll see later. I think there's one clip out of the kayak, so at least you'll see me. I think it's when I get in the kayak. Well, you've probably seen it already because I usually put the roundup at the end of the video. I went out this morning. It was raining, so I took my backup bounty hunter, put a bag over it, and went out. Had some fun, weird targets, got lucky. And as you see the pull tabs, I'm still going for that gold ring eventually. So let's start. This is the hunt where I didn't find silver. So the streak was, our first streak was 7 for 7, I think. And the second streak was 3 for 3. So that was it, but I did get take my word for it. I think you see King George VI there. And a young Elizabeth, 53. Elizabeth, this was a 44. I keep finding 1944 King George VI. 3 pennies, 2 pull tabs. So let's put the pull tab in the pull tab drawer. And fishing wise, well, there's one clip you'll see me. I think it's the one I give, the one lesson I'll ever give is to get in and out of a kayak. Should be interesting. It was fun. I actually, on the second cast, I caught a little bass, way too small for the lure though. because the bass isn't open yet. It opens next weekend. So I made sure I put my big maps, so the hooks were way too big for the fish. So I kind of let him get away at the kayak. I didn't even bring him on the boat. Then quite a few casts later, like 10, the water's still high, so it's not the best for fishing yet. So I got this big, well, big for a crappie. I thought it was a bass at first. It was elongated, if you can say that. And then at the very end, I got like a 3-pound pike. I would have liked to have the GoPro there, but next weekend I'll go out again and the fishing should be a bit better. So then I went out this morning. Look at all the pull tabs. I'm really trying for that gold ring, but after digging 10 of them, I'm fed up with the pull tabs, but it's not too bad so far. No rings yet. So I took my GoPro, not my GoPro, my bounty hunter backup machine to where I find all the silver, because I found it kind of funny. I didn't find a ring yet and not much clad, but the machine goes for the silver, goes right past the clad, so I don't really mind. Silver is on my preferred list. But I did get into clad this morning at 3/4, 5 dimes, 2 nickels. This rang pretty high. It's funny how the nickels play around. Pennies, not at 1 old pennies. 1 old penny. I found a Canadian pin, older key, not that old. Yeah, first car of the year. I'm happy. Good shape. I'm not sure what it is. Is it a Supra or what? Doesn't say. Doesn't look like a Viper. Anyway, it's in good shape. Rolls. This was nice. This was at another location, a school. Imagine if this would have been silver. Super heavy. It's an owl. In French, it's called an ibu, and it's good luck. So, poor kid who had that around his neck, that's pretty heavy. No wonder he lost it. And for me, find of the day with the owl, Great Wolf Lodge coin or token from Niagara Falls. World famous Niagara Falls, Canada. So that's a score. That's pretty good. Happy with that. So that's it. Short and sweet. Still gotta do some sorting. That's my own foreign coins, American. Some of the cards, but this is the bowl I gotta go through. So I got some good stuff in there. Anyways, got the mail calls. Ding, ding. Oh, I was supposed to do a Fouilleuse Acadienne thing. I'll try to do it now after this clip. Okay, guys, so this is it. They're calling for rain another 3 days in a row. This is like the Amazon. Wait till you see the video on the river with my kayak. Looks like the Amazon. All the ferns are super nice. It's very nice. So yeah, so this is it for this weekend, and I'll try to get on the water a few times this week. Try to get some fish on video for you. So have a great week, and we'll see you next weekend. Bye for now.